Good evening traders, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to do analysis on Nifty 50 and try to identify the important levels. So before we move into the analysis and try to identify the important levels, so please read the disclaimer that is appearing here. The content shared in this video is only for educational purpose and therefore it is not a recommendation. Important note is I am not a SEBI registered research analyst. Okay, so what has happened to the Nifty today? So yesterday the closing was around 250 279 25,279 and today the Nifty opened at 25,089. So it's almost 190 points of gap down open. So because of the global markets impact, so our Indian markets also has got a bad hit and it has opened a gap down opening. Fine. So I will try to make a separate video on Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty when it is open a huge gap up or a gap down, how to trade. Okay. So now we will try to understand. I was in my previous videos I was telling you whatever the levels that is appearing towards the upward direction, those levels will be act as a resistance, and to the below where the price is trading, that level will be act as a support, right? So now in this day 29th, if you see, you can also refer to my previous videos. I have considered this level as a resistance because on this particular day this level was the high, right, and this level was the low. Okay, I'm not considering here any of the support or the resistance because now we need to identify the current structure of Nifty. Fine. So now if you consider here, the price opened here and started moving towards upward direction and retraced to the same position and took the support, and again it took the and it broke the day's resistance and started towards the moving up, but the price doesn't sustain here, right? Again the price started coming towards this support, very near to the support. From there the Nifty started rallying towards the upward direction, and this resistance has become the support here, and further it rallied towards the upward direction because there was a resistance, and this is the high for 29th of August. It took the resistance here and started trading towards the right direction, and at the end it was trying to break the resistance, and again it has given the closing near to the same price, right, 25,193. And tomorrow what could be the important levels, right? So the very first thing what we do is we will try to identify the high of Nifty today. Okay, I will draw a horizontal line here. Okay, and this particular line I will consider as a low, right, because it is the low of Nifty. And in the similar way I will also consider this level is very important because when it has become the resistance, it took the support here, right? So it started moving towards the upward direction. So we will discuss about the three scenarios. What if the Nifty opens the gap up, gap down and flat? Fine. So first we will discuss what if the Nifty opens a gap up. So if the Nifty opens the gap up with 26 points or 25 points or 50 points, I still consider it as a flat opening because now the selling is happened from this level, right? So I will consider this level to be very important for us to watch. If Nifty breaks this level, and certainly again the Nifty will start moving towards the upward direction. This time there is a high chances the first target will be around 25,340 and again 25,400. Fine. Please draw these levels. And in case if there is a gap up opening and start trading towards the downward direction, and these levels are going to be act as a very important support. Okay, so please um, be very careful, be vigilant before you take the trades towards the downward direction, because these levels can act as a good support for Nifty. Okay, what if the market opens a flat and starts in this uh, starts trading in this zone? Okay, so it's better you wait until this resistance is broken, or this levels here, these two levels are broken, and then you can take trades towards the downward direction. Fine. And what if there is a gap down opening? i'll I will check what is the price action of Nifty. So for example, okay, if it opens here and it starts moving towards the upward direction, still I will consider today's 5 minutes candles low as a stop loss. I will try to initiate a trades towards the upward direction. Again, my target will be around 25,215. Fine. In case if there is a gap down opening and it starts trading towards the downward direction, so here what I will do is, for the first 5 minutes channel candle, I will wait. I will place a stop loss of high as a stop loss. I will start trading take trades towards the downward direction, and I will strictly trail my stop losses. Okay, so you have to plan your trades accordingly. But nowadays the market is complete 75 percentage of the trading hours, it is trading in a zone or in a sideways. You are just seeing this spikes towards the upward direction or the downward direction of 10 to 15 percentage of time, right? So you have to be very careful while trading in Nifty. So please plan your trades accordingly. Okay, thank you very much guys. Good night.